Hello everyone! This morning I'm gonna show you a monarch egg hatching. I am so excited. Are you? Watch till the end. What I'm showing you here is a monarch egg about to hatch. Oh my god! I heard it smoking! Oh my goodness. For this caterpillar to change into a chrysalis takes 14 to 18 days. It really is coming out and I got it on film. I've done this for 3 years, but this is the first time that I actually filmed the coming out from the egg, the hatching of it. For the chrysalis to become a butterfly will take about 10 days. So stay tuned.